Hey guys, welcome back to Semper Mechanic. My name's Thomas. Here we are with a 1985 Dodge B350 van. It's a no-start. And after doing a lot of research, testing things and pulling things and everything else, what it came down to are these fusible links right here. You can see the orange right here. It'll actually say fuse link on it. Well, this one right here is cracked in half. And another way you can tell by pulling it. Like, I can pull on this right here, and it stretches completely out compared to a regular one. This fusible link right here stretching out like this, that's telling me is that it's gotten too hot and so it's not working properly. If you can't figure out why it won't start before you give up, let's go ahead and check them fusible links. Another tip for you from your favorite mobile mechanic. And before we get ran over here, like we always say, Semper Fi, till next time.